Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm going to be unboxing. I'm going to start with unboxing. I ordered from Glitz and Skin. Yeah, this is like my second time ordering from her. And I like her service. She's quick. And guess what? She delivered this thing in 24 hours because my mom, who watched my last vlog, my mom was coming back to eat. So I needed her to get these things to me like the next day so that my mom can bring it home. So I got a new body lotion I'm going to be trying out. Then I got face wash. I ran out of my face wash and I really miss it so much. I had to get it. Then a hand cream. I hope I like it. My hyaluronic acid serum. The other one I have has not finished, but I just restocked because I had opportunity of someone coming back, and it's so good. Yeah, I'm done with that. Some of the things I have to unbox are the foodstuffs that my mom gave me and everything. My auntie gave me foodstuffs also. If you're confused, just watch my last vlog. So I don't have time to show you guys, but plantain yam, rice, soup ingredient, a lot of things. I feel blessed and I'm happy. So let's do this. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry for the background noise. Today is another vlog day. School is resuming today after a public holiday they gave us for the new year. Guys, I'm to eat and I'm getting ready to go to school. So I'll show you guys. I just fried plantain just to hold my tummy for the day. My morning class was cancelled, so I have class by 1. So I just want to eat, have my bath, and go to school. The weather is a little cold this morning, but we are going to go with it. School is still a little bit empty, but let's see. Hope you enjoy the vlog. I'm done with what I want to print today. I'm already running late for my next class. I have to rush. Hello guys, class is over. I still have a few things to do. I want to meet up with the lecturer. She's the one I'm waiting for. I want to submit classes to her. Then I want to print documents. I want to go to the microfinance bank to make some payments and also want to withdraw money. So school is over, but I still have like 1,000,001 things to do. So God give me the strength this semester. Like the rush is so much.
You are not doing it well. The way you are doing it, that's what you are doing. You know that. Okay, so this thing is they are not going to fight you, but their rate of aggressiveness has reduced. You now begin to do the operation, you spare the hive. They can confidently
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're